pa nating kalampagin ng BDO dahil hindi sila kumikilos? Oo. What do you mean? Ito yung what do you mean ha. So, di ba usually kapag nag-post ka, tapos ang daming nagreklamo, sumasagot yung mga brands, di ba? Bakit ngayon, until now, walang sumasagot sa akin? And also, parang wala akong mga kakilala na nag-work sa BDO. Ba't ganun? Ba't parang hindi sila lumalabas? And medyo sketchy. Like parang walang may gusto tumulong sa akin. Wala ba nagtatrabaho na taga-BDO dyan? Parang ganun, di ba? Ang sketchy. Bakit sila nananahimik? Kung meron man sa inyong taga-BDO, bakit kayo nananahimik? Bakit, Biggie? Walang gustong tumulong, dear. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the rose. Pupunta ako ng concert ng Blackpink. Wala akong ticket. Bibigyan niyo ba ako? Syempre pag binigyan ako, enjoyin ko sila. Ano daw? Yeah. Meron akong other bank account. So, nandun na siya. Timbahay. Yes, Timbahay. Pero manonood ako ng Tylerette. We wanna party. Hey, we wanna party. Magsha-Chanel tayo. I say I love me, man, I put a Chanel. I should have loved me, I should not Chanel. I should have loved me, I put a Chanel. May bago yung step, diba? Not this truck. Mishka Bear. Oh, Mishka Bear. Feeling deep inside. Do you still plan on shaving my hair? Gusto ko mag-try ng different haircuts. So, parang papatubuin ko siya. Maybe gagawa tayo ng yung microbangs era. Magma-microbangs era tayo. Actually, pwede itong ganito yung sa gitna yung gusto ko mag-try ng iba't ibang hairstyles. Ayan! Ito. Gusto ko yung ganung hairstyle. May pag ganun. Yun. It's a look. Yun yun. It's a look. Scene hairstyle, ma'am. Yeah, pwede din yun. Yung mga ganun-ganun. Tapos, ang dami kong balak dito eh. No? Pwede tapos nasa gitna yung parting. Tapos, alam niyo yung finger waves. Yung finger waves natin yan. Marami itong pagdadaanan. Ano daw? What's your biggest beef steak? Ano yun? USDA sirloin? Ganun ba yung sasagot dapat? May action na ba yung BDO? Wala pa. Waiting pa lang. So, bakit kayo nag-hu-hu-hu? I see, ha. Miss Jade So Colby? Talaga nga po bang Miss Jade So Colby na siya? Ma, ikaw na lang yung ilalaban sa MUPH. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've learned a lot in the spaces of the universe and the cosmos, and the life here has full of abundance and has full of blessings and very abundant. I've taught myself to look for the beauty in it To look for the aliens in the faces of the stars colliding and to be grateful. O, diba? Ganon. Diba? I would bring this aspect as the spokes goddessa to see situations with a gold lining. Gold lining? Gold lining talaga? And to assess where I could give something, where I could provide something as the ultimate being. Oh. If I could teach, I am you, you are me, and we are all one within. We could have an amazing world where negativity could not grow and foster, and children and aliens would have a smile on their faces. And I, Namaste Yana. Diba? Ganon. Pag ako, jumoin dyan, anong tawag sa walk ko? Sige nga, comment down below. Gaganon din tayo, yung sabi niya ay, sabi. Sino yon? This is my song. Susu walk, extraterrestrial. Reverse walk, Bratzy walk. Isa pa nga, parang bet ko yung gawin ah. Number 666, Miss Jatesel, Philippines. This queen is from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 2, Philippines. And she is a finalist, a top 3 girly pop that lost to Arizona Brandy. Miss Jatesel, Philippines. Halalapit na ako sa mic. Miss Jatesel, 26, Philippines! Oh my God, out of balance. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Pasok? Pasok o hindi? Bumulwalk. Goddessa walk. UFO. UF walk. The talk. Nilalaro nyo ako? Bigyan nyo ako ng gift para magkapera ako kasi yung BDO na nilalaro nyo ako, no? A messy room fits perfectly. Valorant. Ang dami nagko-comment. Yan. Kamusta naman kayo? Hindi pa nakakabalik yung pera. Pero i-update ko kayo. Gagawa tayo ng success video. Dapat ang tawag sa video na yun ay na-manifest na, naibalik na ang kaperahan sa kanyang bangko. Ang tanong, siya ba ay magsistay sa naturang bangko na ito? A. Oo. B. Hindi. C. Magtatayo siya ng sarili niyang bangko. At D. Siya ay ang magiging bangko mismo. Ang tamang sagot ay makukuha sa mga susos. Mga susos, answer. Okay, we have people who are answering D. C is the final answer. E. J. No, B is for Brandy Shark. Shark, shark. Brandy Shark. Shark, shark. Lipat natin to. Kakantahin natin siya. Kasi kanina inaano ko to eh. Dapat i-ready muna natin yung lyrics. Kinakaraoke ko to kanina. Dapat merong -1. Request nyo nga. Paki-comment sa profile ni Arizona. Nire-request ni Miss Jade so ang -1 o karaoke version ng Arizona B. B is for ballroom. B is for beautiful. B is for bawal yan. Okay. Arizona B. B is for bulge. Okay. Play na natin. Meron na akong lyrics. Sa palap ng mundong ito, asan na ba ang alak ko? Lalamunan ko'y tuyong-tuyo, ilunan pusong bigo. Ako'y isang baklang nais tumagay at ibig makatikim ng isang tatay. Lalaklakin na ang inuwing tunay, mawawalan ng malay, ngunit bibigay. DJ Arizona. Arizona B. B is for Buddhas. Arizona B. Coronation. C is royalty and comedy, a true station. The other girls they cry. Wala namang effect. But I do it so good. Cause I'm what? Perfect. Back. Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me? Brandy Shark. Brandy Shark. Brandy Shark. Brandy Shark. Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me? Arizona B. B is for Budots. B is for bold. B is for beautiful. Arizona B. B is for book. B is for blast. Book, blast, and busy. Untabulous, sachet away, still marvelous. Follow the bottom, baklabilis. Toxic, love ecstatic, fantastic. Naglalakas ako sa extra ang tra. Back. Traffic. Pack. Are you liking this song so far? If so, this opportunity may be for you. Maybe for you. You, Arizona B. B is for Vegas, models. Thanks. Arizona B. B is for Buddhas. B is for bold. B is for beautiful. Arizona B. B is for Bading. Bejoke. Very good. B is for Bayot. Arizona B. B is for Buddhas. Arizona B. B is for Shetlog. B is for bonding. Yes, it's a branding. This song is bopping. I wanna go boom boom bombing. Bedazzling, and no, I ain't buffling. Beaming out. That's on me, Arizona B, baby. Ijbol ni Tis, Ijbol Nessa. Ijbol Nessa, nagka-Ijbol Nessa na nga po. At 1 AM na, hindi pa rin kayo natutulog. What do you do? this Friday night? So, answer that. Mas deep na. Ano daw? I'm here if you need anything. Oh, I need money. See us at 29. Yes, that's my comeback performance. Comeback performance? Galing saan? Sa Vortex. Nagbakasyon kasi ako sa planeta ko. So, I just need some me time first. So, yeah. Me time lang. Mayaman ba ako? Mayaman ako in the future. Yes, it's the branding. Mayaman sa talent. Tama. Okay. So, ayun. O siya, sushi lip sync. Kung sino man pupunta sa Drag in the South, you will have an FKA Twix medley. Like, 6 na song. Okay na ba yon? 6 na song? Shh. Okay. See you there. O siya, mag-ano na ako. Maghihilamos na ako. Kakauwi ko lang kasi I got my nails, I got my lashes, I got my eyebrows. Pero, all of this is a gift. So, thank you so much. Hi, Lash Society. Yeah. So, ayan na. Good night, everyone. Illumita Tiana. Yes, stay bright. Stay shining. Don't let anyone dim your lights.